Animals that seem totally useless. Number 1, ocean sunfish. This thing is basically a giant floating dinner plate. It can't swim well, doesn't hunt, and just drifts around collecting parasites. Some fish spend their whole lives cleaning it. Number 2, sloth. Sloths move so slowly that mold grows on them. They poop once a week, and when they do, they risk getting eaten just to go. Number 2, it's like they're trying to lose the game of survival on purpose. Before the last one, if you're not an alien, hit like, comment, and subscribe. Only good humans can do it. Aliens won't. Number 3, panda. Pandas are nature's ultimate freeloaders. They eat bamboo all day. You plant so low in nutrients, it's basically crunchy air.